Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about data types in Python. Today we will cover what is list, its properties, how to access the elements of list and modify the elements of list, and some list operations. So let's get started. So what is list? List is a built-in data type that is used to store collection of items. Now we will see how to create an empty list. My list equals to empty square bracket. Next, creation of a list with elements. My list equals to square bracket contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we see properties of list. Lists are ordered. That is, the way you have entered the element in the list, same way it gets printed. For example, if we create my list, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will print the list elements in the same order. List is mutable. That is, you can change the elements in the list. Next, list allow duplicate elements. Next, you can store elements of different types in a list. For example, L2 equals to 1, 2.0, 3, Adam. 1 is an integer, 2.0 is float, and Adam is of string type. Now we will see how to access the elements of list. You can access list element using indexing. Python uses zero based indexing, so the first element has an index of 0. For example, if we create a list, my list contains 5 elements. To access the first element of the list, the index will be 0. Similarly, we can access the second element with index 1. And to access the last element of the list, the index will be -1. And to access the second last element, the index will be -2, and so on. You can modify elements in a list by assigning a new value to a specific index. For example, if we want to place 10 at first position, which contains 2 in my list, then you have to use my list of 1 equals to 10. Then the final list contains elements 1, 10, 3, 4, 5. These are some list operations: append, insert, remove, pop, clear, sort, reverse, count, index. We will see examples of these list operations now. Append is used to add elements at the end of the list. For example, my list contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. When we are appending the sixth element, it will get added at the last of the list. Insert is used to add element at the specific position. For example, if we want to add 20 at the second index, remove is used to remove a specific element. Pop is used in two ways. If we don't provide any index, it will remove the last element, else it will remove the particular element at that index. Clear remove all the elements from the list. List still remains, but it has no content. Next is sort. Sort, it is used to sort the list elements. Next, reverse. It is used to reverse the order of the list. Count. This method returns the number of times a specified value appears in the list. For example, 2 is present in the list 3 times and 3 is present in the list 2 times. Next is index. This method returns the index of the first occurrence of that value. For example, 2 is present at first index and 3 is present at second index for the first time. I hope you understood the concept of list in Python. In the next video, we will discuss about tuples in Python. See you in the next video.